Hello and welcome back, my friends. Well, here's a viewpoint you don't often see on the channel. This is our little lawn in our backyard, and I know what you're thinking. Dan, you grow a lawn? We thought you were a food forest gardener. That would be correct. However, we have justified having a little lawn in our backyard. For one, you can see the dogs are enjoying the grass, and I do have a couple dogs that I like to throw the ball in the frisbee to, and having a little patch of grass here makes that possible. Besides that, it's just a nice place to hang out, especially in the summertime. We got some shade trees above us here, so we got some nice shade. With that being said, I'm getting ready to actually mow this lawn, and I wanted to bring you guys along and share with you a new gardening tool that I picked up, a lawnmower, an electric corded mower. It's worked out wonderfully. So this here is the Greenworks 20-inch, 12-amp electric lawnmower. This is a corded lawnmower, so I don't have to worry about charging up batteries or having a dead battery when I need the mower. So I really like that feature. And you can see it's got some grass clippings there. That's because I've used this several times. I wanted to make sure that it was something that I could recommend before I make this video. Overall, I've been really happy with this mower. I've used it about 6 times now. It makes a really nice clean cut. You can see it's very easy to adjust the height here. The whole thing goes up and down with one lever. Now this mower is capable of both collecting the clippings and also mulching and dispersing the grass clippings onto the lawn. You can simply replace this little cover here, but this bag actually removes extremely easy. Let me show you that. You can just simply lift up on the spring-loaded cover here, and the bag just pulls up and out. And it's a decent sized bag, lightweight, holds quite a bit of clippings. I can usually cut my lawn back here in one go without having to empty the bag if I don't wait too long in between cuts. And to replace the bag, it's very easy. Just clips on like so. So to power this mower, you're going to want to get yourself a hefty duty extension cord. I've got a 100-foot, 15-amp, 12-gauge extension cord. I'll put links to both the mower and the extension in the description box below if you want to check it out. But I find that this works really well. Now, before I start getting going on cutting the lawn, I'm going to actually go around with my weed trimmer and just edge it out. And before we get going on that, I just want to say, yes, I know my lawn doesn't look all that great. I'm not a lawn professional. We just have a little piece of lawn to enjoy. I'm more into growing my own food. So with that being said, let's go ahead and get going on this. By the way, just in case you were wondering, this is a Ryobi Trimmer Plus. This thing has held up for quite some time. I've been using this for several years. All right, so we're going to simply plug in the mower. Now to start it, all you do is you hold down this little button here, and while you're holding it down, you flip the safety lever here. If you ever release this lever while you're mowing, the mower will shut down. Check it out, nice beautiful cut. So there you have it, guys. I was able to cut my whole lawn in just a few minutes without even having to empty the bag, but once right at the end. This is my first electric mower. I'm really happy with it. The best part about it is it's very low maintenance, so no oil changes, no having to deal with the carburetor, spark plug. It's just really at the end of the season, we're going to give it a really good clean and store it away. So anyways, hope you guys found this video helpful. If so, be sure to check the links below, hit that subscribe if you haven't already, and smash that like button. We sure do appreciate it. Until next time, this is Dan from plantabundance.com. Take care. I'll be talking to you again soon. Look at my family. Chickens, dog, and wife. Immediately enjoying the lawn. Let's take a family portrait. Hey, you're out of the picture now, little buddy.
Family.
Who wants to play? You want to play? Yeah? You want to play? There you go. Is the ball? Attaboy. Nice catch.
Give it to me. Rock. Rock.
These are our two favorite dog toys, by the way. This little ball with the holes in it makes it easy for even the little guy to catch it and get his teeth gripped in there. And then the Nerf dog frisbee lasts forever. Soft. Nice.
I got it.